This here is my latest project I just picked up last night. It's a 1996 Ranger bass boat with a Mercury 200 on it. That's a little squish. You know, this one, you probably don't want to step on that. It's probably not good. We'll re-glass that. The floor, you know, it's got a little squish to it. You're not gonna fall through, but I mean, there's some sponginess there. You'll have that. See, I'm about to rip all these hatches off and then get the carpet removal tool and just go to town and rip all the carpet out of this thing. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. All right. Okay. I wonder if this guy was worried about ever blowing a fuse. It seems like he might have been concerned that a fuse might blow. Some good wood here. That's what you want. It's unreal. All right, Danny's found the cassette player. He's very entertained with that. We made all the headway we were gonna make on destroying the hull. And I think we're just gonna leave it like that until she's running good and proving herself before I spend any money on fixing the hull. We're giving her a little spray here just to fire her off, even though she doesn't have a fuel pump. Good. That's what wood turns into. For all you boat builders out there, if you're thinking about putting wood in your boat, 20 years from now, this is what your boat's gonna look like. It's gonna have a 6-year-old hacking it up, removing the wood. So don't do that. All right, here at Bare Minimum Boat Works, we're doing a little beautification. I don't know if you can see how good this texture feels, but you can probably see it feels really good. Blinds off so we can get a full. Oh wow. Oh yeah. Look at that. All right, so it looks like we're gonna have to wet sand and buff. That's the way to do it. All right, we just got a present in the mail, something we've been waiting for many days. She's gonna go ahead and slam this puppy in there, and we'll be hopefully firing this thing up in no time. She's running now, which is what I needed to get motivated to finish the flooring. If it wasn't running and I went ahead and did all this glass work, I would have cut a lot of corners. Not saying I won't anymore, but I would have cut more corners and it would have been bad and the whole boat would be kind of worthless. So this is the order that needed to happen, is get it running, then do glass work. But we'll do a little fire up here for you. All right, made it to the lake. We're running. Let's go ahead and give her some beans. Oh yeah. She's real old now. Very clogged up, but we'll clear her out.